Presenting the 2010 Toyota Tundra 2WD truck. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include super white, rear-wheel drive, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, steel wheels, MP3 player, auxiliary audio input, split bench seat, pass-through rear seat and adjustable steering wheel. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.